everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be unboxing the October BOXYCHARM. So if you guys want to see what we got in this month's BOXYCHARM, then please keep watching. So if you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, which I'm sure you guys do, it is a monthly subscription. It is $21 a month and you get 5 or 6 full-size items, and most of the time they're all high-end products. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first thing I see that's just staring right at me is by It Cosmetics, and it is their superhero I can't talk today. It is their superhero mascara. So pretty. I personally like hearing that noise. It sounds like there's like a lot of product and it's very saturated on the brush, and that's personally what I like. And that retails for $24. The next thing we got is by Kat Von D, and it is a liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade, oh, what, that's hot pink, huh? Hot purple? K-Dub. That's really purplish and really bright. Everyone knows I love colorful looks. I'm sure I will make use of it. And that retails for $20. And then the next thing is a lace peel mask. A black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. It's a lace. So it looks like this. And by the picture of it, it looks like it's like a regular face mask, except it's lace. And that retails for $30. Oh, and the next thing is by Pharmacy, and it's a makeup melt away cleansing balm. If you guys watch my videos regularly, I am obsessed with the Clinique Take the Day Off balm. I use it basically all the time. Ooh, and this has the same exact feel as the Clinique one, really soft, like butter. So a lot of people use like a water type makeup remover. I don't like those really, unless like I want to do like a quick, you know, a quick type of thing. But I personally feel like when you put them on like a cotton pad, you rub your eyes so much, and like sometimes when I use those, I feel like I have a lot of like of my lashes on the pad, and that's kind of what I don't like. I like something very soft as I'm taking off all my heavy makeup, and that's kind of what I go for. I mean, I've never tried this yet, but it has the same consistency. Well, at least just touching the top. It feels exactly like the Clinique one, and I'm actually all out of it, so I'm really excited for that. And that retails for $22. I feel like I'm going through this really fast, right? Let me know if you guys want me to start doing, a lot of people do try-on videos with the unboxings, like they do their makeup as their unboxing. A lot of people have been doing that in their videos. If you guys want something like that, let me know. So the next thing we got is by Pure Cosmetics, and it is their Midnight Masquerade face palette. So it looks like this. It's really pretty. It looks masquerade-ish. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty when you open it up. So these are all blushes. That's a highlighter. And then you have some eyeshadow palettes. This is really cute. If you guys don't know, BOXYCHARM did send this to me, which is so amazing. But I also have my regular subscription still going, so that the second box I do a giveaway with you guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed, because I will be posting that giveaway soon. I have a huge giveaway going on very soon. Okay, so that eyeshadow palette retails for $38. I am just going to go ahead and add everything up. So this box retails for $134, and it is only $21 a month. I personally love BOXYCHARM. I got so much makeup, and all you do is spend $21. I mean, you really can't beat that. I have been a huge fan of BOXYCHARM for years. I've been doing reviews on them all the time. So I will link it down below if you guys want to sign up. And yeah, so if you guys like BOXYCHARM unboxings, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will see you all in my next video.